Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the Instagram theme to black. First you need to open the Instagram and go to the profile page, and here we can see the white theme. For example, for do it the dark, go to the your setting on your phone and here scroll down and find the display. In display change the use them to dark mode. Then go to the back on the home page and here go to the Instagram. And as can we see, it changed to dark mode. This is the simple method do it. This is all for today for this option, and goodbye.